What if I told you that you can deep clean your entire home in one day instead of spending an entire exhausting weekend and achieve better results than you've ever gotten before using 7 specific hacks that professionals use but never share? What if I showed you the exact system that transforms overwhelming deep cleaning from a dreaded marathon into a manageable, even satisfying process? I tested this method last weekend, and the transformation was so complete that my home looked professionally cleaned. Stay with me to the end, because this will revolutionize your deep cleaning forever. The deep clean we always postpone. You know that feeling when you look around your home and realize it needs more than just regular cleaning? When the baseboards are visibly dusty, the windows are cloudy, the grout is gray, the kitchen cabinets feel sticky, and everything just looks tired. You know you need to deep clean, but the thought is so overwhelming that you keep postponing it. I'll do it next weekend. I'll do it when I have a full free day. I'll do it when I have more energy. Weeks turn into months. The deep cleaning never happens because it seems like an impossible mountain to climb. Hack 1. The strategic order. Never clean randomly. Follow this exact order for every room. Top to bottom, back to front, dry to wet. Start with ceiling fans and light fixtures, then walls and high surfaces, then furniture and mid-level surfaces, then baseboards, then floors last. Hack 2. The simultaneous soaking method. Start every room by spraying all surfaces that need action with cleaning solutions to break down grime. Spray the bathroom while moving to the bedroom. Spray the kitchen while moving to the living room. Let cleaning solutions sit for 10 to 15 minutes while you work elsewhere. Hack 3. The all-purpose base formula. Make one powerful all-purpose cleaner. Equal parts white vinegar and water, plus 1 tablespoon of dish soap per quart, plus 10 drops of essential oil for scent. This cleans 90% of surfaces in your home. 1 bottle. Hack 4. The microfiber system. Use color-coded microfiber cloths. Blue for bathrooms, green for kitchen, yellow for living areas, red for floors. This prevents cross-contamination and keeps you organized. Microfiber cleans better than any other material, requires minimal cleaning solution, and is reusable. I use maybe 12 cloths for my entire deep clean. Hack 5. The toothbrush detailing. Keep old toothbrushes dedicated to cleaning. These reach corners, grout lines, around faucets, window tracks, and other detail areas that cloths can't access. This is the difference between clean and deep clean. The detailed areas are what make a home look professionally maintained. Hack 6. The vacuum then mop sequence. Never mop without vacuuming first, even on hard floors. Vacuuming picks up hair, dust, and debris that mopping just spreads around into muddy streaks. After vacuuming, mop with minimal water and cleaning solution. Damp mopping, not wet mopping. Hack 7. The Caddy system. Create a cleaning caddy with all supplies you need. Carry it room to room. Never backtrack to get forgotten items. My caddy contains all-purpose spray, microfiber cloths, toothbrushes, small scrub brush, rubber gloves, trash bag. Everything in one portable container. This eliminates wasted time walking back and forth. The results. My home after this deep clean looked better than when I moved in. Grout was white. Baseboards were pristine. Windows were crystal clear. Appliances gleamed. Every surface sparkled. And guests who visited asked if I'd hired professional cleaners. The system works because it's based on efficiency principles, right order, simultaneous action, minimal tools, strategic technique. That's it. 7 deep cleaning hacks for a pristine home. Strategic order, simultaneous soaking, all-purpose formula, microfiber system, toothbrush detailing, vacuum then mop, and caddy system. If this just made deep cleaning feel manageable, smash that like button. Subscribe to the channel and turn on notifications for more professional cleaning systems. Share with anyone dreading deep cleaning. Comment if you're trying this next weekend. Click the link in the description box below to join our free cleaning community. I'll see you next time. Until then.